Yes, yes, it's a toilet. Relax, relax. I want to show you the problem. If you have the water on, basically it won't stop. First tip is put this somewhere safe where it's not going to get broken. I've seen that happen at a workplace. And then you don't have a cover. It looks very strange. There's the problem. It's this little valve here, because even when floats fully up, then it still wants to drain water, and you can see it dripping into the toilet, because eventually it just overflows on the top, right? I mean, if this thing keeps flowing, it has to go down the emergency drain hole, which then goes into the toilet. So yeah, let's take this off and see what we can do. There's probably a diaphragm in there, or hopefully some sort of little tiny cheap valve to replace, and we'll get a new one. Take the copper split pin out. See, it's split down the middle. American funny name, cotter pin thing, people. Try and figure out how to get this out of here. Let's try these. Maybe that's why this is in the way here. Stop you grabbing it too easily. Let's see which way. If we make it turn either which way. Oh, here we go. Little diaphragm in here. I guess that's not meant to come off. And the only way I'm taking that off is if I break it. Yeah, there's a red ring under there. Yeah, you see the little plunger over here. Knob that gets depressed onto this rubber diaphragm. Yeah, I think that's the problem. The diaphragm is worn. Okay, let me try and get one of those from the plumbing supply store. Righty, so this is just keyed over there. That, so you can pull it out with your finger even. It's quite handy. I stuck this on just so I can hold it. You can see there's the new diaphragm that's in there. I did not want to take it out. I went to the plumbing supply store and I didn't want to give them a little pile of black gooey bits from a disintegrating diaphragm. So anyway, that just goes back in there. Once that's in, oh, you can see the little, that's what gets pushed by the float, which then pushes on that. See the movement. Anyway, reinstallation, pretty simple. There we go. And I just cleaned the mesh off on this side, a little fine mesh screen. Made of metal to stop the dirt getting whatever spewed into the cistern. That's the hole where the water comes out, and that just falls into there like that. And then there's a washer. Cool. Let's put it back in now. Reinstall. Pretty simple. Righty, so let's just put that one in the back over there. Just hold it there. Just got to get that thread going. There we go. Okay, unlike the previous person, I'll just go finger tight. Maybe just drain some of this water. Make it easier to put the float in there. Probably need to drain it all the way. Right, so take the split pin, line up the float, which now it does have the wrong kind of angle on it, so let's put that back then. That seems alright. Okay. A little up and down action helps thread this through. That way. Not too much. Turn the water on. Well, that seems pretty good to me. It's still going a little bit. No, now it seems perfect. So I think it's time to put a lid on this one. Oh, and that's the sound of silence. Good for sleeping at night. Cheers.